Creating cleaning service proposals for your company doesn't have to be a complicated and involved process. Thanks to the easy-to-use and groundbreaking app from Clean Proposals, not only will you save time when it comes to making proposals, but you'll be making more money too. The app guides you through every step of the process, from walkthrough, special projects, bidding, and proposals. The layout is simple and easy to use because all areas and cleaning tasks for the scope of your services are written out for you. All you need to do is add the labor types and the app will calculate the charges. Furthermore, no other software in our industry has proposal analytics and electronic signatures. Analytics gives you powerful insights by showing you which specific documents the client has read and how they interact with your proposal. If you can't get to the decision maker, the app will give you their email address, so you can communicate with them directly. By creating a cleaning service proposal for your business through the app, you present yourself as more professional, which not only retains customers, but helps attract new ones as well. With the selection of eye-catching layouts to choose from, you don't have to worry about spending time designing your own. Come use the best walkthrough bidding and proposal-making software that our industry has ever seen. Visit cleanproposals.com today to start your free trial and revolutionize your business.